Hello friends, today we will discuss stratification. It is a topic of sociology. Stratification refers to the hierarchical arrangement of individuals or groups within a society based on their access to resources, power and prestige. It can be based on various factors such as income, education, wealth, occupation, race, gender and social status. Stratification refers to the hierarchical arrangement of different layers or strata within a system, typically based on social, economic, and other characteristics. It indicates how people, groups, or elements in society are divided based on factors like wealth, power, occupation. In society, stratification can be seen in the division between different classes. For instance, individuals may be grouped into upper, middle, and lower classes based on their income and status. Generally, upper class has more wealth and power, while the lower class has limited resources and opportunities. In a society, upper class people are 5% of the population, and they are high income earners, business owners, CEOs, high level of education, university degrees, prestigious occupation, doctors, lawyers, luxurious lifestyles, mansions, cars, and travels are indicator of high level or upper class. Middle class, 50% of the population. Here people are middle income earners, managers, professionals, occupations, teachers, nurses, comfortable lifestyles, and they have their own homes, cars, and vacations. Lower class, 45% of the population belong to lower class. Lower income earners, laborers, service workers, limited education up to high school or less prestigious occupations like retail, food service, etc. Struggling lifestyles like rental housing, limited access to resources. The upper class holds the most power, wealth, and prestige, while lower class faces more challenges and limitations. The middle class falls in between with moderate access to resources and social status. Stratification can be influenced by various factors, including economic system, capitalism, socialism, social policies, education, healthcare, cultural norms, discrimination, inequality, historical events, colonization, and migration. So, understanding stratification helps us to analyze social inequality, identify pattern of advantage and disadvantage, and develop strategies for promoting greater social mobility and equality.